path to knowledge, wisdom, and personal growth. They are the unsung heroes of their students. Teachers are the builders upon which our future lies. Teachers empower us with the skills that shape our destiny. Teachers are the architects of the future, shaping generations of thinkers, innovators, and leaders. To all the teachers who have dedicated their lives to education, we owe you a debt of gratitude. We thank you for your tireless efforts, your kind words, and your invaluable contributions to shaping the future of our world. Now, we invite our 2000 stage for tribute to teachers.